Hi everyone, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw Pooch the Pup. It's a very old cartoon character. I think Pooch the Pup was created about in 1932. So let's grab our pencils and try to draw Pooch. So today we're going to start with Pooch's head. As I usually do, I normally start with the head. That's way easier for me. So what we'll do, we'll just make a ball shape. Just make a nice ball shape. Then, in this ball shape, we're just going to make a little line about here, and you can make it a bit round, like a oval. And then right on top here, we're going to do another circle. Just do it rough. As you already know, we're not looking for perfection here. Now, the next thing we're going to do, we're just going to make a little line going this way, to the side. And now that we have that, I'm just in the middle, draw a line up, and we're just gonna draw sort of a block shape. We're gonna block a hat in here. Okay, good. On the side, you're just gonna make two downwards curves, and these are gonna be ears. We're gonna do that. And we're going to draw the chest, just about there, something like this. And you just, of course, you're just going to draw a little block, just a block. Now this has a little downwards curve like this, and then here we're going to have sort of a little shoulder, as you can see, and we're going to just draw an arm going down. Right, now here I think I'm just going to draw a little bit out, and then we're going to draw the legs. Now what are we going to do? You're just going to make a little line about this way, and then another line there. Now this is going to represent our legs. Now the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go from here, and you're going to draw a foot. Just a big foot, and it goes backwards like this. And then from here we're going to draw a little foot again, a smaller one. Now that we have the two shoes, I'm going to use this, and we're going to sort of draw pants like this, and on this side you're going to draw pants like that, and that's it, just like that. Now we're going to go back, and now we're going to start to draw a bit more with detail. Now for the hat has a downwards curve, so I'm just making a little downwards curve, and I'm bringing it up, sort of like a wave. And you're just going to bring it to there. Good. And now that here, I'm going to split the hat right here on top, and I'm just doing that. Split the hat and bring it back, and then right there we're going to draw another line going up, and maybe just a mark there. And then from this side, you're going to, the hat folds behind this square. Now you're just going to draw this, see, and there we have a little hat. The next thing we're going to do, I'm going to try to draw the nose first. So right here in this oval, you're going to just draw another smaller oval, but do it dark. There we go, there's a little nose. And then on the sides you can draw two little dimples, and you're going to connect a smile, a little smile going up. There's the other dimple. And then of course we're just gonna open the mouth a little like this, and of course Pooch's tongue. Now right on top we're just gonna draw two lines curving upwards, and that's going to be our base for our eyes. And then from here I'm just going to draw an eye. There's one eye, good. And then from here, so this eye is going to go underneath the hat, and it's coming out, see. And then from here, we're just going to draw pupil. So the eye, so Pooch is looking that side. There's another eye. And then we're just going to draw a little eye reflection that they made in the cartoon. Now that we have that, we're going to draw the sides of Pooch's head, the other side. And then we're going to draw, so maybe first the chin. Let's draw the chin, And then from the chin, you're just going to bring a line around, and there's the mouth and around there. And there's the other one. On the side, we're going to do the ears now. I'm going to start with the lower end, and I'm just going to draw on the top end, just like this. Now that I have this, I'm going to draw Pooch's ear. It's almost like a hand. And on this side, we're going to do the same. Now there's one, there's one, there's one. There's the two ears. Next, the shoulders. Now the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to draw, so we draw the hand down here. I'm going to draw a little pocket. So we're just drawing a pocket here. So the arm extends into the pocket. Now right here on top, you're going to start and you're just going to draw an S shape to the pocket. And then from here, we're going to do that again, and we just stop short of the pocket, and we're going to draw a bottom sleeve, and this sleeve goes into the pocket. There we go. And a little crease here. So there's one arm. Now the next thing we're going to do, I'm going to first draw the neck here and a collar, and then we're just gonna curve outwards. We're gonna curve a little bit outwards, and then from here we're gonna draw a shirt, and the shirt folds like this, and then it goes to the back, going up and going up. There we go. Right, now on this side is also an arm, and you can just draw a little arm there as well. Now we're going to go to the feet. So first we do the feet. There's one foot, and there's the other foot. And now we're just going to do the heel. There we go. So we have this shape now here. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to make wrinkles. So I think I'm going to start on this side. I'm just going to make a wrinkle like this. Folds in his pants like that. And on this side I'm going to do the same thing. There's a little fold, and then there's a little fold. And this one goes out because he's got his hand in the pocket there. And then here from the top, you're going to draw his bum, and then a few wrinkles there as well in his, yeah, a few folds actually. Now right here at the back, we're just going to rough shape of a tail. Yeah, the tail looks okay for me, and then I'm just going to make it a lot darker. There we go. And if you have some mistakes here, you can just erase it. Now here on the side, I'm just going to make another line because there's a dark patch on Pooch. So there we go, there's the patch as well. Right, now we're going to take our Sharpie and we're going to finish our picture. So where will I begin? I think I'm going to begin with the nose. So I'm going to do your nose. And remember, if your shapes doesn't look correct, you can use your marker, or you can use an eraser and take your pencil and just go over the lines. So I'm making that, and then I'm going to do a little white reflection here on the nose, and I'm going to fill Pooch's nose in. There we go. There we got his nose. Then I think I'm going to go and I'm going to do these dimples. There's one, there's the other dimple. And remember, when we're done, we let the ink dry of the Sharpie, and then we take our erasers and we can erase the pencil marks. Now right here I'm going to do the tongue, and then there at the back I'm just going to fill it in, because this picture is black and white, so we're not going to worry about other colors. I'm going to do the chin. There we go. Right, then I'm going to do the bottom of the eye here, and I'm of course going to do that one as well. And then we're going to do the cheeks. There's one cheek, and there's the other one. Great. Now for the eyes. I'm just going to start here halfway. I'm just going to take the eye all the way around, connect it. And this one, I'm going to just start here. I'm going to take it to the hat. I'm going to leave that open, and I'm going to bring it down. I think before I go on, maybe we should finish the hat first. Yeah. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to start with that fold there, bring that over, bring it over, and bring it all the way around, and curve it to the back. And then from here, I'm just going to make this black stripe here, and then I'm going to change it a little bit. I'm going to make this, I think, a little bit smaller, like that. Yeah, that's going to be great. And then right here on top, there's, I don't know why there's hair on the hat, but okay, there we go. And then here, it's maybe a straw hat, I'm not sure. And you can just draw these little lines as well. Let's continue. So I'm just going to connect the eyes there. And then of course, what we're going to do, light reflection. And remember, we made this little triangle there. So I'm just going to do that. And then you can do this as well. Let's fill the pupils in. There we go. We're going to do his head right there, and then of course right here, and then here there's a black mark as well, and we're going to fill that in as well. Just want to bring it all the way around. So yeah, so let's color the sides in. We're going to make it black. There we go. On this side. And then we're going to bring it all the way around here. There we go. Now for the ears. I'm going to start right here. I'm going to make the ear a little bit thinner because I have to color this in. I don't want to use too much ink. There we go. Maybe like this. A little bit smaller. And I'm going to do the same for this one as well. I'm going to make it a bit smaller. There we go. And bring it back. Right, and the same, we're just going to fill this in. Now for the collar, and I'm just going to make a collar there. Again, fill it in. And then we're going to draw Pooch's shirt or jersey. Bring it all the way around, maybe like so. I'm going to start with the pocket first, there we go, and then the sleeve, and then I'm just going to try to make the arm a little bit better. From the shoulder and bring the arm down, and then I'm going to finish up with this jersey. Take the jersey up, bring it over, bring it there and there. Good. Now down to the pants, and first up, again, we're just going to first start with the shoes. There we go. And then the shoe as well. Great. And then I'm just going to do the sides of his pants. I'm not going to do the middle one. Yeah, and we can color this in, but let's just do this hand as well, this arm as well, and then the tail. Good. Yeah, and I think that's enough. It's going to take quite a while to color this in black, and but let's do it. Let's try to quickly color this in. Great. Now what you can do, you can wait for the ink to dry, and then you can erase all your pencil lines. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you soon. Bye bye.